Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hi everyone, this is Danielle Valkyrie from IWA 2024 for Low Ready Magazine. I'm here with Curtis at the Spartan Blades booth, and we're gonna talk about these nice tuxedo knives.
Sure, so this is our newest folder. Well, it's just a few months old. It's called the Spartan Nemec Folder. And the reason we're excited about this one is we're using a new designer, a European designer from the Czech Republic, Ondrej Nemec. And many of you may know him from A&V knives. So this is a little different than what we're used to doing. We're kind of known for big, tough, military-type knives. But we found that a lot of people during the normal process of working during the day need something that's lightweight, thin, and easy to carry. So we kind of charged Ondrej with making something that was lightweight and easy. Pen knives are knives, they've been around for a few hundred years. And it's called a pen knife, and they were called that because they used to take feathers, cut the bottom for quills for writing.
Oh, wow.
So that's kind of where this design originated, but they've become very popular, especially in the US. So we created this one, the Spartan Nemec Folder. It is a flipper. You just seen Danielle do it, but they're easy to flip, easy to open. So if you have gloves on or you're working with your other hand, it's easy to get that way. And it's very, very lightweight. Now the only problem is when you place it in your pocket, you forget you have it, but you'll know when you put it in the wash because you'll hear the music, the drums.
Oh yeah.
But no, it's doing very well. We're very, very happy with it. It does have a wire clip, and it's a deep carry pocket clip. So it allows you to put it in your pocket where it's not showing very well.
Can you show us?
Sure.
And it's also so light, it's incredible. This is even lighter than that.
Sure. So it kind of drops all the way in your pocket so it's not sticking out. And then of course we have two different options. We have the carbon fiber and the titanium. So, you know, you knife lovers, you can't get enough titanium in your diet, so you have to make sure you stay fed with a good titanium knife, right? So that's the Spartan Nemec Folder, both carbon fiber and titanium.
Thank you so much, Curtis.
No, it's my pleasure. And if you guys get a chance, go to lowready.com. And Danielle, you'll be on there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Me and the rest of the team.
Well,
lowreadymagazine.com.
Yeah, lowreadymagazine.com. Make sure you check them out.
Thank you.